Did you know that the little rectangular box in your pocket isn't just for doom scrolling in group chats that could have been emails? Nope, your phone is a pocket-sized sorcerer waiting to sprinkle magic dust on your life. Today, we're uncovering bizarre, unpopular, yet brilliantly effective ways to use your smartphone. Grab your popcorn, and let's get into the juicy details. Welcome to Colorful Show. Today we will talk about the smartphone secret sauce, unheard of hacks to upgrade your life. Chapter 1. Alarm Hack, the smell of success. Tired of snoozing your alarm like it's your unpaid job? There's a sneaky way to turn your phone into a smell-based alarm clock. Download a smart home app, link it to a Wi-Fi-enabled diffuser, and set it to release your favorite energizing scent like coffee or citrus right when your alarm goes off. The scent triggers your brain's get-up mode before your hand hits the snooze button. Your brain won't know what hit it. Chapter 2. Mood Booster Wallpaper, Science in Pixels. Turn your lock screen into a psychological power tool. Research shows that looking at vibrant colors like green or yellow can boost your mood, while calming colors like blue reduce stress. Set a wallpaper with specific colors depending on how you want to feel. Want to feel like a productivity ninja? Go for a green and white minimalist design. Need calm? Blue Ocean Waves got your back. Chapter 3. Gym Buddy in your pocket, walk and text games. Fitness apps are old news. But here's a twist. Turn your walking time into a game. Apps like Walk and Run and Empire let you build empires, explore galaxies, or grow virtual towns by counting your steps. It's like playing Candy Crush, but instead of wasting your time, you're burning calories. You walk, your empire thrives. Chapter 4. The Micro Nap Assistant, 15-minute genius mode. Naps are cool, but have you heard of phone-induced genius naps? Download a white noise app or use YouTube to play binaural beats tuned to alpha frequencies, around 8 to 14 Hz. This sound allegedly helps you enter a light sleep state where creative ideas flow. Set a timer for 15 minutes, close your eyes, and let the magic brainwave party begin. Chapter 5. Health Scanner, Doctor, is that you? Your camera isn't just for selfies and dog pics. Apps like Skin Vision can analyze moles and skin spots for early signs of skin cancer. Other apps can check your heart rate by analyzing fingertip blood flow with your camera. While it's no replacement for a real doctor, these apps can flag issues early enough to save your life. Chapter 6. Friend in Need, speak and let AI therapy begin. Having a bad day but too broke for therapy? Meet apps like Wobot or Replica, which use AI to chat and offer emotional support. It's like texting a friend who actually listens and doesn't one-up your problems with their own. Bonus, you can talk to your phone about embarrassing stuff without judgment. Chapter 7. Memory Master, your phone is a flashcard ninja. Forget traditional flashcards, your phone can turn studying into a brain-charged game. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet and activate their spaced repetition system. This method helps you learn languages, trivia, or even random facts faster by showing you what you're about to forget. Basically, your phone becomes a mind-reading teacher. Chapter 8. Sound dopamine triggers, noise that boosts you. Feeling unmotivated? Instead of cranking the same playlist, try brown noise, the lesser-known cousin of white noise. Brown noise is deeper and softer and has been linked to increased focus and calmness. Chapter 9. Photo Power, Visual Gratitude Journal. Here's an idea. Every day, take one photo of something that makes you happy, such as your dog's goofy grin, a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, or a sunset painting. Store it in a gratitude album. On bad days, scrolling through it will instantly remind you that life isn't all bad. It's dopamine on demand. Chapter 10. Remote Control Wizard, Lights, AC, Action. Did you know your phone can rule your house like a boss? With a $5 IR blaster or compatible apps, your phone can turn into a universal remote to control your TV, air conditioner, and even your fan. Impress your friends by pretending you're Magneto when you turn off the TV mid-argument without lifting a finger. There you have it, folks. Your smartphone is no longer just a scroll-and-like machine. It's a mood booster, health checker, empire builder, and life improver, all rolled into one. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.